Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add UPI payment methods on your Shopify store. To do it, firstly you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Here you can see the address. You just have to visit here. At the bottom left corner you can see this option settings. Simply tap onto settings. After clicking onto settings you can see this option payments. You just simply tap onto payments. After clicking onto payments you can choose a provider for payment providers, for example, but we are gonna tap onto the next one. Okay, let me show you. The one under it, that one is this add payment method. Simply tap onto add payment method and at the search bar search for UPI, and there we go. You can see this UPI payment method. Just simply tap onto it, and after tapping onto it you have to choose your payment method. You have to tap onto install. As you can see, this is a provider. You have to tap on install and install it. Also you can install other payment methods. Just install this extension from here and you will be able to connect provider. As you can see, this one right here, just tap on to install and wait until the installation is completed, and this is almost done. Now you have to enter your Shopify email address, your username and password, then log in using it. And now you can connect your UPI payment methods to Shopify from ping pong very easily. You can choose other providers. For example, there are a lot of providers which you can choose to connect with UPI. Okay. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.